Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's on everyone's mind, saving money. Specifically, how you can shrink those intimidating energy bills without making huge, expensive changes to your home. The secret? It's all about the tiny tech. These are small, affordable gadgets that pack a serious punch when it comes to cutting down your energy consumption. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you some of my absolute favorite pieces of tiny tech that will start saving you money from the moment you plug them in. Get ready to unlock some serious savings. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest energy vampires in your home, phantom power. This is the energy your devices use even when they're turned off or in standby mode. Your TV, your game console, your coffee maker, they're all sipping electricity 24/7. It might seem small, but it adds up to a shocking amount over a year. So, how do we fight this invisible drain? The answer is the Smart Power Strip. This isn't your grandma's old extension cord. A Smart Power Strip is brilliant. It has a few always-on outlets for things that need constant power, like your Wi-Fi router. But the other outlets are the clever part. They have a control outlet, usually where you plug in your main device, like your TV or computer. When you turn that main device off, the Smart Strip automatically cuts power to all the other connected accessories, like your speakers, your printer, or your Blu-ray player. It completely eliminates phantom power draw with zero extra effort from you. You just use your devices as you normally would, and the strip does the saving for you. They're incredibly affordable, usually costing between $20 and $40, and they can pay for themselves in just a few months. It's the easiest first step you can take. Next, let's move on to lighting. I know, everyone says switch to LEDs, and you absolutely should. But we can take it a step further with smart bulbs. Now, you might think these are just for changing colors to match your mood, but their energy-saving features are what make them truly brilliant. Imagine never leaving a light on by accident ever again. With smart bulbs, you can set schedules. Have your lights automatically turn off when you leave for work in the morning and turn on just before you get home. You can even use your phone to check if you left the bathroom light on and turn it off from anywhere in the world. And here's another great feature: dimming. Most smart bulbs can be dimmed without needing a special dimmer switch installed in your wall. Dimming a light doesn't just change the ambience. It directly reduces the amount of electricity being used. Even dimming a bulb by just 10 or 20% can lead to significant savings over its lifespan, and you'll barely notice the difference in brightness. You can buy them one at a time to slowly upgrade your home, starting with the most used rooms like the living room or kitchen. It's a small investment for total control and automated savings. All right, let's talk about heating and cooling, which is usually the biggest slice of the energy bill pie. A full smart thermostat system can be pricey, but there's a tinier piece of tech that can give you a lot of the same benefits for a fraction of the cost: smart plugs. A smart plug is a simple device that you plug into a standard wall outlet. Then, you plug your appliance into the smart plug. Suddenly, your dumb appliance is smart. So how does this save you money on heating and cooling? Think about those portable space heaters or window air conditioning units. They often have basic, inaccurate thermostats or none at all. They just run and run, wasting tons of energy. By plugging one into a smart plug, you gain incredible control. You can set a precise schedule for it to turn on half an hour before you wake up, so your room is cozy, and then turn off automatically when you leave. You can control it with your phone, so if you forget to turn it off, no problem. Some smart plugs even have energy monitoring built in, so you can see exactly how much electricity that old space heater is using. It's a game changer for making your existing appliances more efficient without replacing them. And it's not just for heating and cooling. You can use smart plugs on anything. Your coffee maker, so it's not heating an empty pot all morning. Your electric kettle, the decorative fountain in your garden. Any device that you only need to run for specific periods can be optimized with a simple, inexpensive smart plug. It's about being intentional with your energy use, and these little gadgets make it incredibly easy. Now for a piece of tech that's less about control and more about knowledge: an energy monitor. As the saying goes, you can't manage what you don't measure. An energy monitor is a device that gives you real-time feedback on your home's electricity usage. Some clip onto the main breaker in your electrical panel, while others are simpler plug-in models that measure a single outlet. The whole home monitors are amazing because they show you exactly how much power you're reusing at any given moment. You can literally walk around your house, turning things on and off, and see the impact on your consumption instantly. You'll discover things you never expected. Maybe that old freezer in the garage is a massive energy hog. Perhaps your kid's gaming setup is drawing more power in standby than you thought. This information is pure gold. It empowers you to make smarter decisions. You might decide to finally upgrade that old appliance or simply get better at turning things off. Seeing the data in real time makes energy consumption tangible, not just an abstract number on a bill. It turns saving energy into a kind of game, a game where you always win by saving money. Let's shift gears to water heating, another major energy user. You don't need a whole new water heater to make a difference. If you have an older electric tank water heater, a simple water heater timer is a fantastic piece of tiny tech. Your water heater's job is to keep a large tank of water hot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But do you really need scalding hot water at 3 a.m. on a Tuesday? Probably not. A timer allows you to schedule when the heater actually works. You can set it to turn on an hour before everyone wakes up to get ready for their morning showers, and then have it turn off while everyone is away at work or school. You can schedule another short heating period in the evening for doing dishes. By preventing the heater from constantly reheating water during the 8 to 10 hours you at work or the 8 hours you asleep, you can cut your water heating costs significantly. These timers are mechanical or digital, they're inexpensive, and a reasonably handy person can often install one themselves. It's a classic example of working smarter, not harder. Finally, let us talk about a category of tech you might not even think of as energy saving: smart home hubs and voice assistants. Devices like Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub can be the conductor of your energy-saving orchestra. Once you have your smart bulbs, smart plugs, and other devices, a hub ties them all together. Instead of fiddling with 5 different apps on your phone, you can create routines and control everything with your voice. For example, you can create a goodbye routine. When you say, "Hey Google, I'm leaving," it can automatically turn off all your smart lights, cut power to your entertainment center via the smart strip, and adjust your thermostat. You can create a good night routine that dims the lights, turns off the TV, and maybe turns on a fan connected to a smart plug. This level of automation ensures that energy isn't wasted simply because you forgot. It makes energy saving completely seamless and integrated into your daily life. It's the ultimate tiny tech, turning simple commands into real, measurable savings on your monthly bill. So there you have it, a whole arsenal of tiny, affordable tech that can make a huge impact on your energy consumption and your wallet. We've covered smart power strips to fight phantom power, smart bulbs for efficient and controllable lighting, smart plugs to upgrade your dumb appliances, energy monitors to give you crucial data, and water heater timers to tackle that hidden cost. Each one of these is a small change, but when you combine them, the savings really start to compound. You don't have to go out and buy all of these at once. Start with one. Pick the one that addresses the biggest pain point for you. Is it the jungle of cables behind your TV? Get a smart power strip. Are you always leaving lights on? Try a smart bulb in the biggest problem room. The key is to just start. Every little bit you save adds up, month after month, year after year. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gave you some practical ideas for cutting down your energy bills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on smart tech and saving money. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite piece of energy-saving tech? Let's share some knowledge. See you in the next one.